Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you to my YouTube channel Pakistan 360. Please subscribe and click the bell icon for any new videos. Thank you. This new video is about Pakistan's new main battle tank VT4, or also known as MBT 3000. The Pakistan Army has reportedly started receiving the Chinese VT4 tank. At least 100 units as first consignment were delivered in mid-April 2020, as the indigenous Al Khalid II is still under development. Before finalization, in addition to VT4, Pakistan Army also evaluated the Ukrainian Opolot P main battle tank. The VT4 is a Chinese third generation main battle tank built by Norenco for overseas exports. VT4 is an upgraded variant of the Al Khalid tank, also called VT1 or MBT 2000, which is currently in service with Pakistan Army. Design is based on track chassis. The hull of the VT4 MBT is of all welded steel armor construction. The gross vehicle weight is approximately 52 tons. It is manned by 3 crew members, including commander, driver and the gunner. As such, the MBT 3000 will field a very low profile, including a near-flat glacis plate. The main battle tank is equipped with GL5 active protection system, which integrates 4 fire control radars with a detection range of approximately 100 meters. The active protection system is linked to laser threat warning with smoke shell launchers. The roof-mounted armor protection system offers a high level of protection against main battle tanks, armored vehicles, anti-tank guided missiles, and anti-tank weapons. The tank can be equipped with composite and explosive reactive armor. The turret front has wedge-shaped armor and the hull sides have armored side skirts. Also equipped with defensive grenade launchers, laser warning device, and identification of friend and foe system, nuclear, biological and chemical protection, explosion suppression system, fire extinguishing system, and air conditioning. The gunner and commander of the VT4 tank are provided with stabilized thermal imaging sights for identification and recognition of targets. The driver has 3 observation periscopes, which comprises roof-mounted panoramic sights, a laser warning device, and a digital gun control system designed to support day and night operations. The digital fire control system allows for firing on the move, with accuracy found within 5,500 yards. MBT 3000 also showcases a computer-assisted base inertial navigation system, as well as standard GPS. The tank is also integrated with digital communication systems for tank-to-tank communication and between commanders. VT4 has a 1300 horsepower diesel engine with torsion bar suspension and an integrated hydraulic transmission system. The tank can run a maximum road speed of 70 km per hour with a maximum cruising range of 500 km. It has a power to weight ratio of about 25 horsepower per ton. It can ford a depth of 4 to 5 meters with preparations and trench of 2.7 meters, can climb a gradient of 60 degrees and a vertical obstacle of 1.2 meters maximum. VT4 has a 125 mm smoothbore cannon capable of firing armor-piercing, fin-stabilized, discarding sabot rounds, high-explosive anti-tank warhead and guided missiles. The main armament 125 mm smoothbore gun is fitted with a thermal sleeve and a fume extractor. It is fed by an automatic loader that holds 22 projectiles with a rate of 8 per minute. The MBT 3000 can carry a total of 38 rounds of main ammunition. 12 grenade launchers are fitted to the turret sides, 8 for smoke generation, while 4 are shrapnel based to counter nearby enemy infantry not in the line of fire of the machine guns. A remotely operated 12.7 mm anti-aircraft machine gun is a primary, while a 7.62 mm coaxial machine gun comprise the secondary armament for engaging ground and aerial targets. In addition, the tank is equipped with a set of guided weapons, allowing the use of a guided missile reflex with a range of up to 5 kilometers. After Royal Thai and Nigerian Army, Pakistan Army has acquired this weapon system at a unit cost of approximately 3 million US dollars reportedly.